On August 18, 2024, a silver Lexus turned Interstate 40 into a scene of chaos as it sped past vehicles at a staggering 116 miles per hour. Multiple calls reported the reckless driver weaving in and out of traffic, prompting Arkansas State Police to spring into action. Trooper Trey Fales took the lead in the pursuit, reaching speeds of 134 miles per hour to catch up.
Did I get some flag shutdown? Where you at?
As the driver attempted dangerous maneuvers, he lost control, crashing into cable barriers and flipping over 15 times before landing upside down. First responders quickly arrived, finding the driver, Kendall Jewett, injured and unresponsive about 30 yards from the wreck.
Yeah, get away. Yeah, get away.
Wreck out, roll over, send it 1016, he's in the eastbound lane. Correction, bound lane.
Go ahead, step fire you, man.
He was airlifted to Washington Regional Medical Center, where he was stabilized. Inside the Lexus, officers discovered marijuana and drug paraphernalia, with charges including felony fleeing and reckless driving. This high-speed chase ended dramatically, highlighting the dangers of reckless driving. On the evening of August 18, 2024, chaos unfolded on Washington Street in Forest City as a red Dodge Ram pickup led authorities on a reckless chase. Troop D dispatch alerted officers that the St. Francis County Sheriff's Office was in pursuit of the suspect, later identified as Andre T. Hunter.
31 primary, Washington, X-ray, 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 A1
As the pursuit intensified, Hunter displayed a blatant disregard for traffic laws, weaving dangerously in and out of lanes. In a decisive move, an officer executed a tactical vehicle intervention, sending the pickup off the road, where it rolled over and landed in a ditch. With the vehicle disabled, law enforcement swiftly initiated a high-risk felony takedown. Upon exiting the wreck, Hunter was caught red-handed, drinking from a can of Busch beer. He was taken into custody without resistance and transported to Forest City Medical Center for shoulder pain. Hunter now faces multiple charges, including driving while intoxicated, driving on a suspended license, and possessing an open container of alcohol in his vehicle. This reckless pursuit serves as a stark reminder of the dangers of impaired driving and the swift response of law enforcement. On August 8, 2024, chaos ensued on Highway 67 as Trooper DeAndre Fuller joined a pursuit of a white Ford pickup truck suspected of robbery. The driver, Ryan Jin, refused to stop, speeding recklessly at 100 miles per hour. Taking primary control, Fuller attempted a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, causing the truck to spin, but Jin quickly regained control and continued fleeing at 110 miles per hour.
Still on 67. Back keys. LTBI.
The chase ended when Jin veered off the road and became stuck in a wooded area.
He's right off over here, dude. 67. About 30. Right. Into a private
Just want to go to school. The cabin's low. The cabin, he's low. Works back off and not trying to come back out on that road.
Despite commands to exit, Jin ignored police orders, prompting Fuller to break the driver's side window and pull him out. Officers discovered the truck was stolen from Johnson Ford dealership. Jin was arrested and taken to the Nevada County Sheriff's Office, showcasing the quick response of law enforcement in a dangerous situation. On July 6, 2024, Trooper Calvert responded to a pursuit of a red Chevrolet pickup truck in North Little Rock. After intercepting the vehicle on East Broadway, he took primary control as it sped west at 40 miles per hour.
Yes, it's front tires, it's kind of hard to spin it, but yeah, doing that 40 miles an hour, light traffic.
Despite 2 failed tactical vehicle interventions, TVIs, the suspect continued fleeing south over the Broadway Bridge. Sergeant Gabe Monroe then executed a successful TVI, causing the truck to hit the concrete barrier and come to a stop. Officers swiftly extracted the driver, Wendell Jackson, taking him into custody. This incident highlighted the effective teamwork of law enforcement in a challenging pursuit. Wyandotte, Michigan. At around 1:30 a.m. on September 14, 2024, Officer Cox of the Wyandotte Police Department conducted a traffic stop, unaware that the driver was carrying heroin, crack cocaine, and crystal methamphetamine. When ordered out of the vehicle, the suspect accelerated, leading to a brief chase that ended with him losing control and crashing over the median on Fort Street, blowing out 3 tires.
You mind just stepping out real quick just so we can figure out, get your name and stuff, and then...
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. I got you. No weapons in the car or anything like that? Okay, I appreciate you. Just go ahead and shut the car off.
All right.
Hey. Northbound 4 through Orchard. And Orchard. Still eastbound Orchard. Through 22nd.
As he tried to flee on foot, Officer Cox deployed a taser, successfully apprehending the suspect. With a criminal record dating back to 2004, he now faces multiple charges, including drug possession and fleeing police. On July 6, 2024, Trooper Garrett Bird joined a pursuit of an orange Dodge Charger, speeding north on Highway 79 at over 100 miles per hour. As the chase entered Interstate 40, Trooper Bird deployed a tire deflation device, successfully puncturing the right tires. Despite losing a tire, the Charger continued to flee, and Bird became directly involved at the 280-mile marker. He executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, at the 281-mile marker, causing the Charger to spin and hit the wall.
TBI.
There we go. That'll work.
West Memphis police arrested a female passenger, Tyshonda Tai, while the driver, a black male in a white shirt and blue jeans, fled on foot. A search revealed marijuana and items linked to vehicle theft inside the Charger. Tai was charged with multiple offenses, while the driver remained at large, illustrating the dangers of high-speed pursuits. Hope you will enjoy today's video on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to become valuable members of our channel. Goodbye, and see you soon.